Hello everyone, my name is Chandra Prakash Bhaguna, and in this video we'll discuss real PHP interview questions asked in 41 different companies, including important HR questions and Laravel basics that every PHP developer should know. So generally the companies ask the tell me about yourself. So then you have to say your background qualification, technology you know, like PHP, Coordinator, MySQL, project you have worked on, which part of the website you handled, your current situation, and why you were exploring opportunities. And don't mention gap and all. If they ask, then only tell. Also, don't say I'm looking for a job in PHP. Don't say I have experience in PHP but can work in any language. Do say, okay, do say I have experience in PHP but can work in any language. Explain briefly the project you worked on during your career. Mention your specific role, not just the company name, and keep it under 2 minutes. Okay. So sometimes the HR ask you why should we hire you. So highlights your technical skills relevant to the job, like the PHP coordinator, MySQL APIs, etc. Mention your experience on projects that use specific contribution. Show your ability to learn and adapt new technologies. Mention your problem solving approach. HR round is like a personality check, so be honest. If you have false information on your resume, it will be caught immediately. So they they asked me how many years of experience, your role, which part of the website you have worked. Okay, so that time my year of experience was 2 years in PHP and coordinator. Technology stack PHP coordinator for MySQL, jQuery, REST API. Website worked e-commerce CRM admin panel. Role backend developer, full stack team lead. Which part I handle user authentication, product listing, REST API integration, and be specific. Vague answers hurt your chances. So they asked me, do you know any framework in PHP? So I said, yes, I know the Coordinator CI3 and CI4 for PHP backend development. And Coordinator is an MVC based PHP framework, lightweight and easy to use. I have worked with the Laravel basics and in front end jQuery and Bootstrap. Interviewer also asked about the jQuery append and recursive functions. So be prepared to discuss the practical usage, not just the theory. So now the technical questions start. So they ask me that do you know jQuery append? So this question has been asked in twice over the 41 companies. So jQuery append adds content to the DOM without the refreshing the page. Used to dynamic insert HTML elements. Interview assignment. Database table with ID name, parent ID fields. Use object-oriented programming plus recursive to print as UL li tree in HTML. Use jQuery.append to add items to list dramatically and page update without refreshing using the jQuery.append. So code example is member list append li new member name appending inside a specific parent $parent id append li id member id and member name, then close the li. Now the ajax plus append workflow. User enters name plus select parent. Ajax post add number to PHP. DB insert return JSON. jQuery append new member to tree. So we don't need to refresh the page. They ask me what is the Laravel controller. So controller. So the C in the MVC is the model view controller. Laravel is an MVC framework. Controller is where you enter code most of the application logic. You can create as many edge controllers as your application needs. Allow application code to have easy to understand syntax, and create with PHP artisan make controller user controller. So code example is namespace app HTTP controllers use eliminate HTTP request, class user controller extend controller, public function index, return view user index. So model handles data and database, view handles what the user sees, and controller handles logic between model and view. So another question they asked me, will you join a company and which is currently laying off? So generally this is a tricky HR question, so be honest and thoughtful. You can say it depends on the role, the team, and the stability of my department. If layoffs are in the unrelated departments and my role is secure, I would consider it. I would want to understand the business situation clearly before deciding. Show that you do your due diligence before making decision, and don't be emotional. Give a practical, mature answer. So the quick summary is they ask me, tell me about yourself, background, tech, project role. Why should we hire you? Skill, contribute, adaptability, framework, coordinator, CI3, 4, Laravel basics, jQuery append, dynamic DOM without page refresh, and Laravel controller, C in MVC application logic layer. Okay, so these were the real interview question asked in the 41 companies for PHP developer role. So in next video, I'll show all 25 PHP interview question which were asked in over those 41 companies. So till then, bye.